Welcome once again, and let's talk about Coinbase listening. Now, Coinbase listening is finally confirmed this year, 2023, and also Coinbase will be accepting the 1.2% tax bond. Remember, Coinbase have actually added this coin on their watch list, and also Coinbase are planning on buying Terra Classic coin. Last year, we also had the rumor of Coinbase really planning mega buying of Terra Classic coin with over $244 million, and I believe they will also be supporting the burning of Terra Classic coin. Now, I hope very soon we'll be seeing Coinbase fully coming in, because this is 2023. So many Coinbase community have been mounting pressure on Coinbase to actually list Terra Classic coin. And recently, all over the world, people have been tweeting, talking about Coinbase list Terra Classic coin. The tweet about Coinbase list Terra Classic coin have really increased, and I hope very soon Coinbase will be bowing down. Coinbase will be accepting what the community wants. Coinbase will be listening Terra Classic coin this year, and I hope for that to really happen more faster, because that's definitely going to help Terra Classic to really increase in price. And remember, with Coinbase, the tax bond will also really increase, because I believe Coinbase will be accepting the tax bond, and the tax bond is capable of burning a lot, billions of coins. Now, by the time you have Coinbase, you have Binance together, I believe it, Terra Classic is going to gain a massive increase in price. And I hope even that Robinhood can also come in, but Coinbase listening, I hope this year we'll be seeing Coinbase accepting this, because the community are really mounting pressure on Coinbase to actually accept Terra Classic coin. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.